Good day everyone. So here is my foundational chain for this pattern. So right now I'm going to start. I'm going to include one, three chains, two, three. So right now I yarn over that three plus additional two, so I'm inserting in the fifth loop right here with triple crochet. Triple crochet. So it's going to be triple crochet across this row. So this is how I'm going to proceed till I round it up on this row. So as you can see, I've completed the round. Can you see? So right now I'm going to proceed. I'm going to chain three. One, two, three. So I yarn over and three. After three, I'm going to include extra four. One, two, three, four. So right now I yarn over. So that extra four, so I'm going to count one, two, three, four. So I proceed in the next loop, triple crochet, next, triple crochet. So I have 5 triple crochets here. So right now I'm going to chain two. One, two. So I'm going to insert one, two, three in the third loop, still with triple crochet. So I proceed, triple crochet across 5 loops. So it's completed 5. I proceed again, one, two, I insert one, two, three. You see. So this is how I'm going to proceed till I round up this row. So as you can see right here, I've completed the round, but I made a little adjustment to this first place. You see, initially I inserted it counting this first loop. So I inserted it into the fifth loop, but I've decided to make an adjustment. Instead of the fifth loop, I make it the fourth loop. Look at it now. including this 1, 2, 3, 4. So I inserted in the fourth loop so that it does not affect. So right now I'm going to proceed. So I'm going to chain 3 first. 1, 2, 3. So this 3 is standing as this border. So right now I'm going to chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I yarn over and insert into this loop here, triple crochet. So I proceed, next loop, triple crochet, next triple crochet. So I move in into this big loop, triple crochet. So in this big loop I'm making, as you can see, I'm making 2 triple crochet. So I have my 5 completed, 5 triple crochet completed. So right now I'm going to make a pod in between. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I bring it out. So I proceed. So I'm going to count 1, 2, 3. I'm inserting in the third loop. Sorry, I'm going to chain 2. 1, 2. So right now I yarn over, I count 1, 2, 3. Triple crochet. Proceed. I have my 5 completed. So I'm going to make another pod. 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5. So I'm going to bring it out. So I chain 2, 1, 2, yarn over, I count 1, 2, 3, triple crochet. So I proceed. So this is how I'm going to proceed till I round it up on this row. As you can see, I've completed the round. Can you see? So right now I'm going to proceed. I'm going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3. I haven't chained 3. I'm going to chain 4 again. 1, 2, 3, 4. So right now I yarn over and insert into this first loop, triple crochet, proceed, next, triple crochet. So I proceed in this loop, triple crochet. Here I will be making 2 triple crochets in this very loop. Can you see? So right now I'm going to make my pot again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I chain 2, 1, 2. So I'm going to count 1, 2, 3. I'm inserting in the third loop, triple crochet, proceed, so I move in this loop where I will be making 2 triple crochets. That's 1, 2. So right now I'm going to make my pot. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So I chain 2, 1, 2. So I count 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So this is how I'm going to proceed till I round it up on this row. As you can see, I've completed the round. Can you see? So I'm going to proceed again. I'm going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Then I chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I insert in this first loop right here, the triple crochet. So next loop, triple crochet. Next, triple crochet. So I proceed in this loop where I will be making 2 triple crochets, 1, 2. So I'm going to make my pod 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5. I chain 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, triple crochet. So make my pod again, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Chain 2, 1, 2. So I insert in the third loop, triple crochet. So as you can see, this is how I'm going to proceed till I complete this tutorial.